A new feature introduced in IronCAD 2020 is the ability to break your dimension lines when they intersect other dimension lines. For example, if you right-click in your sheet background, you'll see a new option under Sheet Setup to allow you to do a dimension break. And this is breaking your extension lines, and you can also break around the arrow. We'll show both of these. So let's go ahead and click OK to this. And we're going to zoom into an area, and we're going to create some dimensions that will cause some overlapping extension lines. So I'm just going to create a dimension from our bottom edge to our circle center, and I'll do the same thing from our other location. And you'll notice our dimension lines automatically overlap at this point. And as soon as I place that, notice this was automatically created. And the way this works is basically on an ordering system. So this was the last one created, it's on the top, so it is the main dimension, the one below it gets broken. If you wanted to reverse the order, you can click on the dimension that you want to be on the top, right click and go to ordering and tell it to bring it to front, and it will now be on top and the lines below it will be broken. And this will cross any extension line that's in this path will get broken automatically. So for example, we'll go ahead and create another dimension line for our other case. We'll create one from here to here, and we'll bring this out to this location and snap it, and we can see that we have a dimension that crosses the arrow. Now if we go back to our sheet setup and we say go ahead and enable a dimension arrow along the, or break the arrowhead along the dimension break as well, you'll see that right now, since this dimension was the last one created, it's on top. If we reorder this again, if we go to this one, right click, ordering, bring to front, you'll see that it automatically will break that extension around that arrowhead. So these are some things that you can enable for your drawings. Sometimes this is not typically used for standards, but you're allowed to turn these on. And again, these are automatic, and they will export out to DWG correctly as well as part of that process. Hopefully you enjoy.